What's going on, guys? Nick here with Fun Folk Fishing, and today we're going to be fishing a creek that I have not fished in a very long time. The wind's blowing a little bit and I don't have my wind muff on my camera, so I'm sorry. I apologize if it sounds a little windy in your ears. This creek actually runs through a cow pasture, which is pretty unique. Normally the creek is very low, but whenever it rains a lot, the creek rises. And a lot of times a lot of fish will get up in here and then the creek will go back down, and you can just, at least in the past, I've been able to catch a fair amount of fish. So we're coming over here. It's been about 2 or 3 years since I've been over here and fished. We're gonna try it. Everything's actually grown up right now. I'll pan the camera so you can see. It used to all be cut down. You can't even see the creek right now, but I promise you it's there. So we'll make our way down to it and we'll see how we do. Stay tuned. All right, we got the GoPro running. I've got it. It was already dead when I got out here, so that's not really a good thing necessarily, but hopefully I have enough juice in my little portable battery charger to keep it charged long enough to actually get something. And we're going to be traveling through snake country right here. I can't see a dang thing. I mean, this grass is as tall as me. You can see it's as tall as I am. Maybe we can actually get it. Yeah, here's the trail. And you couldn't even see the trail from where I parked. Here we go. There it is. Yeah, it's back down now. I guarantee you though, whenever that rain came through, it's probably super high through here. There'll actually be a little bass right here too. I know it don't look like much. It's like a glorified puddle almost, but I'm telling you, I've caught some decent fish out of here. I doubt there's anything in this pocket. The only way to know though is to cast in here, because I'm telling you, this is a super tiny little creek, but when those rains come up, I just smashed her right in the face. I just had a bite. Right in the face. Yeah, like that. Something just tugged on it. Maybe it's just been like a little brim or something though. Oh yeah, something's tugging on it for sure. Something's biting it, something's nibbling at it. It's probably a little brim. It's crazy that there's fish right here. Damn, bit it again. They're little, they're just tugging at it. Let's move on down. Okay, here we go. This may end up being a little more promising. Yeah, I see something moving in the water. This is a pretty good sized spinner bait, so. But I'm actually out of buzz baits. That's what I wanted to bring. Not a lot of whole casting room up in here either. Okay, that's a little bit loose. Just a little loose. Let's just hope I don't fall, because that would suck. This is the territory I'm not looking forward to tracking through, because this will be where I get an ant bed, or I'll step right on a snake's tail. And that will not be fun. I do not want to go to the hospital. Okay, I can't see anything. Is something waking on, or is that my spinner? Yep. Something waked on it. Something hit. All right, we're gonna move on to the spot where I've caught most of the fish out of here in the past, anyway. Like I said, I have no idea now. I might get nothing. It's very possible. Something just waked off the bank right there. Probably need to be quiet. Something just made some bubbles. Now, let's go check. The further we go down, the more likely it is we find a fish, assuming there are any in here. See, all this used to be cleared out. It's been a while since cows have been over here, so now everything's like just completely grown up. And you can't see nothing. Look how thick that is. I gotta be careful not to walk right off the edge of this thing. Yeah, let's go over here. Should have brought a daggone machete. Alright, we're on the edge. We're getting very Very, very close to the edge. It'll be a lot easier from that other side probably, but should be able to make this work. Pretty solid ground. Keep on moving. Maybe out of luck today. Moving on. Maybe we'll head out to the pond and see what those fish are doing today. We'll say hey to them. Maybe doing something interesting. These guys in here, assuming there are even any, are not doing much at all. So we'll see what happens. Oh no, I missed one. Right on the drop too. Oh, he hit it again. He followed it in. He followed it in. Got one. Little bitty one. I got one. I got you. A little bitty dude.
Got your head in a cloud, tell the legend now. In the notion of all this emotion now. God's been sure, I'm begging you, looking for something
Got you, buddy.